I've never weighed one of the door panels that we install. I always just guess they're like 200 pounds. I don't know. They're tempered glass. They are not impact. So I know guys in Florida, maybe Georgia, South Carolina, coastal states are putting impact glass in. And I know that those are a whole different beast, a whole different animal. This is tempered glass, so they're pretty heavy. But I thought it'd be fun to see how much one of these things weighs. So I literally haven't put it up on the scale yet. I'm going to guess 164. I'm going to guess 164. I hope this doesn't feel as heavy as it does at 164 pounds. But let's see what it is. Got the scale here, got suction cups, panel. Let's see if I can balance it on my scale. I am balanced. What does that say?
199.12.
Wow, I should have guessed 200 pounds. That's what I always say they are. That's pretty darn close. 200 pounds. Well, I'm glad it feels heavier than 164 pounds. I think that was my guess. But 200 pounds a piece, and we got 3 panels here, so 600 pounds of glass. Makes for a nice big opening.